Hi, hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll be speaking about a healthy day, healthy routine, and healthy life. Yes, everyone knows there is a proverb saying health is wealth, right? Today we are focusing on a single capsule which will make your life go in a better way. Let's focus on what, when, why, how omega 3 does to your body. Yes, omega 3 is a fatty acid also called as omega 3 oils. In local language, we can see it as magic fat. Yes, it's a fish oil. And there are three types of omega 3 fatty acids involved in a human body. One is ALA, the second one is EPA, and the third one is DHA. Now the question is, do we find omega 3, all these three substances in food? Number 1, ALA can be found in walnuts, flaxseed oils, ichi oil, edible seeds, and other various seeds oil. But EPA and DHA can be only found in fish and fish oils. Fishes of salmon or mackerel. Only these two types of fish can produce as omega 3. Now let's see why omega 3 compulsory intake and what does WHO says. Omega 3 is not produced in body, so we have to get omega 3 from supplements only. According to WHO, that is World Health Organization, heart elements is a leading cause for Indian diseases burden. As our body can't produce a few nutrients, it's essential for good health that we take supplements for omega 3. Indian diet are loaded with omega 6 and are deficient in omega 3. And you people doesn't know about this, that omega 6 and omega 3 should be equal in our body. So WHO suggests to have 2 portion of fatty fish such as salmon or mackerel each week. Many don't know our brain contains 70% of cholesterol, that is a good fat, among which the 70% of cholesterol is 50% to 60% is omega. So we call this omega fat is a good fat and it's very essential to every human. Do we have any supplements for omega 3? As I already said, ALA can be supplemented in our plant soil. Now we need to bridge gap for omega 3 contains EPA and DHA, right? And these EPA and DHA will be found only in fish oils capsules where only EPA and DHA is extracted. Why we are not concentrating on salmon and mackerel fish? Because everyone cannot fetch these every week. So that is the reason we suggest get a capsules loaded with EPA and DHA. After getting to know what is omega 3 and why it is very much essential to every human body, let's move on to uses of omega 3. Number 1, improves heart health. Number 2, increases metabolism. And next, decreases muscles inflammation, decreases joints inflammation, improves the brain, eye, nervous system, and then PCOD, PCOS, skin problems, fights against pimples, and it will give you a healthy and glowing skin. People who are worried about weight loss, this is a biggest advantage for you, and especially belly fat. Next, it improves a vision and memory as well as this contains DHA. Hair fall, hair growth, biggest thing. And it also fights against depression and anxiety because this contains EPA which fights against depression. It also improves pregnancy and early lives. It also reduces the symptoms of ADHD in children, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Main thing is it improves your immune system boosting and it also improves the mental disorder cases. Omega 3 can also fight against age related mental decline and Alzheimer's diseases. It may also help prevent cancer. Can also reduce asthma in children, and it also reduces fat in liver, and it can also alleviate menstrual pain, and mainly it improves your sleep. I would also like to add my experience with this. I had a C section for my two babies and I have a severe back pain. Believe it or not, later using omega 3, I am out of danger with this back pain and I am healthy. And you tell me to stand up on 6 hours or 7 hours, I'll be standing and with no back pain at the end of the day. So you will be thinking what omega 3 and which brand omega 3 do I consume and which is the pure omega 3 capsules found in market. Yes, it is Wellness from Oriflame. Or Wellness from Oriflame capsules is the hygiene and safe trustworthy capsules. I will also tell you why I suggest Wellness by Oriflame omega 3. Firstly, it's a non-material fish capsules oil, and then omega 3 from Oriflame capsules has a major content of EPA and DHA found in fish capsules oil, which is very much needed in omega 3, and it is refined by 5 steps of process. That's why you feel no fishy smell after consumption. And sustainability fish product, because it has gone through all European government guidelines of fishery. That's why it's very much safe to consume. And mainly, capsule's outer part is made up of fish gelatin, which is a soft gel we found in fish and not made with plastic shell as other brands. Wellness by Oriflame Omega 3 is a friend of sea certified capsules. It's a pure rich fish oil capsules. It follows GMP, that is good manufacturing process as well. The fish oil undergoes a 5-step refinement process, as I already said, and that includes neutralization, bleaching, winterization, and filtration with deodorization. So, after hearing the fish oil undergoes a 5 steps refinement process, who will not say yes for this? Yes, it's a safe, clean, and effective ways to ensure that your body gets enough of the essential fatty acids it needs. Go for Wellness from omega 3. This is my greatest experience with these capsules from this brand. For your information, I have also mentioned ingredients what will be there in these capsules in the slides. You can just go through that. If you want to know more information about this omega 3 relating to your heart, inflammation, and anything, do watch this video. I'll be giving you each and every information regarding this. Yes, let me start with omega 3 and heart. Many of us doesn't know that heart attack and strokes are the world's leading causes for death. Consuming this omega 3 every day will help your heart go well, and it includes reduces triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood. They reduces the risk of developing an irregular heartbeat. It also reduces a risk of dying of heart disease, that is sudden cardiac death. This omega 3 reduces blood clotting. It lowers blood pressures slightly. It also decreases your risk of strokes and heart failures risk. It will give you a good HDL cholesterol, that is omega 3 can raise a good HDL. Let me speak about the greatest research which was done by American, and research was done on dogs. This research, they blocked the blood veins 70% and did heart surgery to the bunch of dogs. Later, they made one group of dogs to run on treadmill, and the dogs got a heart attack. Yes. Now they took another group of dogs and injected sunflower oil and made them run on treadmill. Again dogs got heart attack. Now they took one more group of the dogs and they injected soya oil and again they made run on treadmill. Even that group dogs got heart attack. Finally, they tried omega 3 oils and they injected these on dogs and made them to run on treadmill again, and they found no heart attack happened to this bunch of dogs. Yes, through this study, you got to know how strong the omega 3 is. Even after the surgery of heart, these omega 3 helped the dogs not to get heart attacks. Just think how it works on human body. Let's move on to omega 3, how it helps for your skin. Yes, DHA is a structural component of your skin, and a healthy cell membrane results in soft, moisturized, supple, and wrinkle free skin. EPA also benefits your skin in several ways, including managing oil production and hydration of your skin. Second is preventing hyperkeratization of your hair follicles, which appears as the little red bumps after seen on upper arms. And a third one is reducing premature aging. It reduces the risk of acne, that is pimples. Omega 3 can also protect your skin from sun damage. EPA helps block the releases of substances that eat away at the collagen in your skin after sun exposure. Yes, it get rid of pimples as well and your skin glows. Now let me tell you how omega 3 helps in inflammation reduction. And first of all, what is inflammation? Inflammation is a natural response to infections and damages in your body. And these inflammations can go into a chronic Western illness, including heart disease and cancer. In simple language, inflammation is a fire hot substance in our body. To reduce this fire hotness, which is caused by intake of omega 6, you know what is omega 6? Omega 6 is found in all refined oil we consume every day. Yes, we need this omega 3 to cool the fire produced in our body, which is developed from omega 6. As our body should have balanced with omega 3 and omega 6, this omega 3 is very much essential for every body to reduce the hotness. How does omega 3 works on joints pain? Yes, it also helps reduce joints pain in everyone, because nowadays joints pain are a bad dream. Yes, these omega 3 can also boost the amount of calcium in your bones, which lead to reduced risk of osteoporosis. It helps in increased grip strength as well. How does omega 3 helps pregnant women and early life? Yes, omega 3 are crucial for brain growth and development in infants. DHA accounts for 40% of the polyunsaturated fats in your brains, as I already said, and 60% in the retina and your eyes. Therefore, it's no surprise that infants fed a DHA formula have better eyesight than infants not fed with this. If a pregnant woman consume omega 3, the infant baby has a higher intelligence, better communication and social skill, and it also will be having fewer behavioral problems and decrease risk of developmental delays. So never miss omega 3 in pregnancy and early life. Connect with your doctor before consuming, as a doctor might already have included omega 3 in their medicines. Omega 3 and eye health. DHA, a type of omega 3, is a major structural component of retina of your eyes. Deficiency of DHA will result in eyesight problem. Interestingly, getting enough omega 3 is linked to a reduced risk of macular degeneration, which is one of the world's leading causes of permanent eye damage and blindness. Also, omega 3 helps in treating dry eyes. Now, everyone's favorite subject, weight loss. Yes. How does omega 3 helps in weight loss, especially belly fat? Omega 3 reduces hunger and appetite, which in turn helps to lose weight. It's a good news for especially who is looking out for reducing belly fat. Omega 3 boosts the effect of exercise by amplifying number of calories and amount of fat you burn during exercise. Few studies has proven that omega 3 will reduce waist circumference and waist to hip ratio more effectively. Now let's see how omega 3 also in turn affects hair. Omega 3 help in increased hair growth and it reduces the hair fall and it gives you a healthier hair. And friends, for people who are suffering from severe hair fall after your pregnancy, here is a best result which gives you a ample hair growth and the thickness of hair will be awesome. So now you have learned what is omega, when is omega, and why you need omega, everything. The advantages of omega is ample, guys. If I speak about omega, it is like 10 days, 12 days, not enough. It is said that omega 3 are likely to have the most beneficial effects when combined with lifestyle factors like proper nutrition and a regular physical activity. And finally, do we have any side effects with this omega 3? No, no side effects is seen here till you consume a right amount of fish oil and make sure it is purified and hygiene. So for today, let's wind up the session and I will be right back with another must know information. So it's high time for you to decide whether you need health with help of your wealth or you need wealth with the help of your health. Listen again. If you don't understand, try listen again and decide soon. Keep up your health. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.